Hello everyone, we're travelling back to 2001 in today's brochure video to look through this Miele washing, drying and ironing brochure. As with a lot of German manufacturers, Miele like to blow their own trumpet, and this brochure is no exception. Lots and lots of text. I'll whiz through the text because this brochure video will be going on for far too long if I don't skip through it. We can see a lovely picture of countryside here, quality without compromise. I'll just read the bullet points on this first page. Forever better, made in Germany, Miele and the environment, research and development, reduced packaging, production, recycling appliances, customer loyalty. In this brochure we're going to be looking at Miele washing machines, washer dryers, tumble dryers, rotary ironer, little giants, installation options and technical information. The Miele Pledge of Quality. Because we have such faith in the quality of our engineering, Miele are able to offer UK customers pledges far beyond the time of the standard guarantee. We offer a lifetime guarantee against corrosion of the direct enamel casing of our washing machines and tumble dryers. A lifetime guarantee on the washing machine anti-leak systems, provided they are correctly installed. A 10-year guarantee against breakdown of the washing machine drum, outer tub, suspension, axle and bearings. A 10-year guarantee on the stainless steel drum of the tumble dryers. Miele quality. Has your washing machine ever suffered the following just from daily wear and tear? 1. A yellowed or rusted casing. With Miele's vitreous direct enamel coating, the machine has a lifetime guarantee against corrosion and yellowing. It has a high impact resistance against chipping and flaking, so it will always keep its looks. Ask your Miele dealer to do the pound coin test. 2. A clogged or broken detergent dispenser. Miele's high-quality detergent dispenser allows an excellent flow of detergent into the drum thanks to the generous design and powerful water jets. It is easily removed for cleaning. 3. A broken mechanical timer. A mechanical timer has many moving components, and when misused, which they often are, they suffer excessive wear and tear and can soon need an expensive replacement. All Miele's washing machines have Novatronic fully electronic controls designed and manufactured by Miele. With this surface mount technology, there are no moving parts to deteriorate. 4. Faded and confused symbols on the fascia panel. The controls on the fascia panel of a Miele washing machine are described in plain English rather than coded symbols. The plexiglass panel is back printed, so the information can't be wiped away by years of cleaning. 5. A split or yellowed plastic door surround. A Miele porthole door has a solid chrome surround with the strength to last the machine's lifetime and to keep its looks always. 6. A broken catch. Plastic door catches often give way under daily wear and tear and constant slamming. Miele's metal door catch is designed and tested to be operated and swung shut 60,000 times. The average machine is tested for less than half this number. 7. A distorted door hinge with restricted opening. Miele's pressurized cast metal and chrome door hinge opens back fully for easy loading and gives guaranteed alignment and a perfect water seal. 8. A damaged door seal from trapped zips and buttons. The deep porthole glass on a Miele machine holds the washing and detergent away from the door seal, protecting both the fabric and the machine. Its scratch-resistant glass is toughened to withstand frequent contact with heat and chemical detergents. Has your machine ever 1. Snagged your clothes? Plastic ribs and rough-edged punched holes in the drum often damage clothes even on a delicate wash cycle. Miele's drum and ribs are made of high-quality stainless steel, and every one of the 3,978 perforations is specially contoured to prevent snagging in any program. Every single drum manufactured is tested for smoothness using a fine nylon stocking. 2. Vibrated across the kitchen floor. Many machines have a concrete stabilizer to prevent vibration. As the machine ages, the concrete cracks and crumbles, so stability is lost and the machine starts to walk. Miele machines have an unbreakable cast iron cradle around the front and back of the drum, guaranteeing complete stability throughout the machine's life. Indeed, the machines are subjected to an endurance in test lasting for 600 hours, or in other words, 25 days of continuous spinning, and they still don't walk. 3. Suffered from a damaged outer drum. Some washing machines have a plastic outer drum suspended on 2 or 3 metal springs. Over time, the movement of the drum causes the springs to wear through the plastic and the drum loses stability. Miele's high-quality stainless steel outer drum is suspended on 4 very strong springs for stress-free washing and spinning, even at speeds up to 1600 RPM. 4. Told you that it has a problem. A Miele will. The sophisticated Novatronic controls will let you know that something's wrong. Thanks to the check lights and the engineer's fault diagnosis program, problems are quickly located. 5. Been awkward to open for servicing? Many machines are awkward to service because opening them to access the components is a lengthy process. Depending on model, the whole front of a Miele washing machine swings open, or the sides and the lid can be removed by undoing a few screws for a full view of all the major working parts, so servicing is simple. 6. Been irritatingly noisy. The average machine has a mechanically controlled AC motor which judders in operation and is distinctly audible. The Miele has an electronically controlled DC motor which runs very smoothly. This not only makes it extremely quiet, but it also means it suffers far less stress. It is mounted on the cast iron cradle rather than the outer drum, so is absolutely still when the machine is in operation. 7. Been firmly locked during a power cut? Clothes can be damaged if left to sit in hot water during a power cut. A Miele machine can be drained via the filter and the door opened by the ring pull, so clothes can be removed immediately. 8. Had a damaged drain pump because the machine has no filter? With Miele's easy-to-open filter accessed from the front, loose buttons, coins and paper clips are prevented from entering the drain pump and are easily retrieved. Its convenient height allows a bowl to be placed underneath for drainage. 9. Deteriorated from the inside out? Most machines only have a protective coating on the outside. A Miele machine is direct enamelled inside too for guaranteed protection against rust. 10. Needed new bearings. The bearings take the strain of the turning drum and are one of the most commonly replaced parts in the average washing machine. Miele's bearings are completely sealed and designed to last for 10,000 hours of vigorous movement. The drum axle is as strong as that found on a prestige motor car. The drum, bearings and axle are guaranteed for 10 years. These 2 pages talk about Miele's top performance and PC update. Miele washing machines give excellent results but are extremely economical. The consumption levels of Miele machines have been evaluated according to the strict EU regulations, so it is easy to see how they compare with other machines. Thanks to the PC update facility, our washing machines can be reprogrammed in line with new developments. Using a laptop computer, a service engineer can alter the machine's programming parameters, for example to reduce its water intake or electricity consumption, or adapt it to a new type of detergent or fabric. A 10-year-old machine can gain a new lease of life and operate as economically as a brand new one. Thanks to the sophisticated Novatronic controls, Miele washing machines are able to offer a huge number of different programs. With the Quick Wash program, you can wash up to 2.5 kilograms of lightly soiled cottons at 40 degrees in just 30 minutes. The revolutionary hand wash and silk programs. When Miele made their first washing machines a century ago, they took much of the hard work out of wash day, but one tedious chore remained: washing woolens and silks by hand. Now Miele have developed 2 revolutionary new programs that do it for you. Unique load size indicator. The right dose of detergent. Once you've loaded the drum and shut the porthole door, the display will indicate how much detergent you should use, either 40, 50, 60, 75 or 100% of the manufacturer's recommended dose according to water hardness. At last you can be sure that you are using the correct amount of detergent and making the very best, most economical use of your washing machine. The Miele package. Not only can you expect expert product advice from our well-trained dealers, we also have a team of home economists and a customer service department in-house. They will be pleased to offer advice and information over the telephone to establish which is the right machine for you and help you make the most of your appliance once you have it. Washing machine features at a glance. Novatronic controls. The single program selector switch. Ball valve. Spin speeds up to 1600 RPM. The quiet washing machine. Hydromatic system. The Water Plus system. Anti-crease action. Automatic foam sensing. Delay start up to 24 hours. The time left indicator. Child resistant controls. The water control system. The waterproof system. Check lights. Drain filter. Sequence indicator lights. Distinguishing between the different series. The W800 series washing machines have fully electronic Novatronic controls with a single control switch for setting all programs. They offer the hand wash, soak and quick wash 40-degree programs and the water control system for protection against leaks. The fascia panel sits slightly proud of the machine front and the whole front swings open to allow easy access for servicing. The W900 series machines have a straight fascia panel in alignment with the machine front to streamline the machine with surrounding kitchen units. They have all the features of the W800 models plus extra sound insulation and a detergent overdosing and system lock indicator. In addition, the W989i and W939 offer a delay start facility and the added benefits of the waterproof anti-leak system. The W300 models form the latest generation of Miele washing machines with an aligned fascia panel and removable front and side panels for all-around access. They offer the unique Miele Silk program, which washes silks and linens even more gently than you can by hand. This page features the Miele W827, W863 and W864 Novatronic washing machines. And here we have the W865 and the W853. This page features the Miele W969, the W989i and the W939 WPS Novatronic washing machines. On this page we have the W310, the W320 and the W340. And here we have the W360 WPS and the W377 WPS Novatronic washing machines. The Miele top loader. Cutting down on space, not quality. At only 45 centimeters wide, the new W149 top loader is ideal where space is at a premium. Despite its narrow body, the drum has the same 5 kilogram capacity as the other Miele washing machines. It also has all the programs and Miele quality features you'd expect to find, such as a direct enamel casing, the PC update function, and the hand wash and silks programs. The best washer dryers in the world. Where there is too little space for two machines, Miele's revolutionary washer dryers offer a practical combination of washing machine and tumble dryer in one. In the past, washer dryers have had a reputation for being beset by problems, but Miele have broken the mold and produced a new appliance that outperforms all other washer dryers, thanks to a long list of unique features. This page features the WT945 Novatronic washer dryer and the WT946i Novatronic integrated washer dryer. Tumble dryer features at a glance and a wide choice of drying programs. Novatronic controls. Sensitive drying system. Optimized drying. PC update. Countdown display. Program sequence indicator. Delay start up to 24 hours. Clean out airways check light. A wide choice of drying programs. There are 9 different drying levels to choose from ready to iron to extra dry. There is also the option of timed drying and a choice of 2 temperature levels for very small loads. Vented and condenser tumble dryers. T4090 Novatronic vented tumble dryer. T689 Novatronic vented tumble dryer. T240 Novatronic vented tumble dryer. Vented and condenser tumble dryers. T260 Novatronic vented tumble dryer. T494C Novatronic condenser tumble dryer. T495C Novatronic condenser tumble dryer. Condenser tumble dryers. T659C Novatronic condenser tumble dryer. T679CI Novatronic condenser tumble dryer. T699C Novatronic condenser tumble dryer. T250C Novatronic condenser tumble dryer. T270C Novatronic condenser tumble dryer. T277C Novatronic condenser tumble dryer. The Rotary Ironer. Perfect ironing technology. Free roller end. Safe operation. Easy to use controls. Freely adjustable temperature. Roller speed control. Laundry table. Swing out arm. Minimum storage space. Miele's Little Giants and versatile installation options. Some households have more than the average amount of laundry to do. If you have a large family, run a bed and breakfast, or maybe live on a farm with dogs and horses, you may well find that your washing machine is running more than once a day. Miele offer the perfect appliances to handle such volumes, the Little Giants. With similar dimensions to the standard domestic models, these washing machines and tumble dryers are of extra robust construction and are designed and tested for an impressive 15,000 working hours or 25,000 hours depending on model. Like the domestic models, they have a direct enamel casing and the controls are fully electronic, so there are no moving parts to suffer wear and tear. Versatile installation options. Washer-dryer stack. Where space is at a premium, Miele tumble dryers can be fitted on top of the corresponding washing machine by using the appropriate stacking kit. The result is that 2 appliances can be accommodated in less than half a square metre of floor space. Ideal for building under. Most Miele washing machines and tumble dryers can be built under a continuous worktop. The necessary conversion kit, UBS-WT, can be supplied at extra cost. These 2 pages feature technical information for the washing machine range. And these pages feature technical information for the top loader, washer dryers and tumble dryers. And finally, more technical information for tumble dryers. On the back cover of this Miele 2001 brochure, we can see some other products including Miele fitted kitchens, vacuum cleaners and dishwashers. I hope all the Miele and washing machine enthusiasts have enjoyed this brochure. I'm sorry I couldn't show too much detail, but the brochure is very comprehensive with lots of specification, lots of information inside. But then I suppose if you're paying this sort of money for a home laundry appliance, you need all the facts to hand, and you certainly get all the facts in this Miele brochure. Thanks for watching. Check out my brochure playlist if you want to see brochures on other home laundry and vacuum cleaners, and I'll see you all very soon for the next video. Bye for now.